What's up, Lego Simpsons fan? And here we have the upcoming 16 minifigures. And number one, we have Lisa with her saxophone, then Maggie with her teddy bear. We have Marge with her purse and a donut fancy magazine, which looks like the cover from the Lego movie. We have Homer with his remote and a donut. We have Bart Simpson with his skateboard. Then as well we have Itchy with a club. We have Scratchy with an axe. Then we have Millhouse with a radioactive comic. Then Nelson with a baseball bat. As well, Krusty with a pie. And also we have a Pooh with a little slushy. And Flenders with his little toolbox and a cup. As well, we have Grandpa Something with his newspaper. Chief Wiggum and his son. And at least we have Mr. Burns, with whom nothing would run without. Again, all the 16 minifigures, which will be available around May, and probably like $2.50 a pack, depends on what country you are into. Don't forget to subscribe me, and I'm out.